Oh shit. That shit on fire, cuz.
Hey, what's the address here?
1334.
1334.
East 60.
East 1334. 1334. 1334.
Damn, people need to get away from that.
They better move away from there. Tell them to move. Why are they right there? The cars, why would y'all stop next to the truck? You better move. The fuck?
If that thing explodes.
Why are they there? Move. Go.
Ooh.
Go. Y'all let him move.
Don't park there.
Don't park there. Move.
Oh my God, you trying to die?
Let me tell these people to move down here.
Y'all dumb as fuck.
You. This a gas tanker and this mug on fire, bruh.
Y'all better leave.
Ooh. Bruh.
But yes,
If this mug catch on fire, bro, I don't want to be right here.
we're dying.
That's a tanker, bruh, full of gas. My man
That's
said,
fully loaded too.
my man said, fuck the curb. He brought the trailer with him and all.
Yo, bro, that's as soon as that engulfs, that's it.
Do you hear that, bro? I kind of want to move my truck, bro.
Yo, that motor's on
Bro,
fire.
that's a-
And it's getting worse.
What if it explode right here, bro?
Boy, if that thing catches.
Right.
That,
I
if
think
that bag,
those.
if that
Somebody
bag
need
catches,
to
that's
stop
it.
them cars,
That's a
though.
bomb.
That's a ticking time bomb, yo. What
They
the?
don't get the fucking firefighters here in the next 5-10 minutes. It's a bomb. That thing blows.
He's
that
talking
whole
to him now, though, so hopefully they hurry up and come.
Chevy is more fucking
Yo,
bigger.
I'm about to move my
We're gonna see
truck.
some of this.
You think? I don't think it's coming up
We
here.
need to move our cars on the other side.
You think?
bro. That thing's on balls. That's a tank full of gas, he said. He said that thing's filled up.
If that shit hit that, that's a bomb. That shit
Why
gonna-
these cars keep going? Like, I'm just like, I don't want to see nobody get fucking hurt.
Yeah, we the ones that's gonna get hurt.
Huh?
It's stopping right now.
No, the car's right beside it.
Hey, Sean said, should I come back to
No,
work?
because he put his truck up because I told him to
Oh!
Yeah, he's up. Maybe. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Come on, support. Are you busy right now?
Oh, Lord.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
God, this shit crazy, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be worse.
Hey, boy, you better move that truck.
Hey, will y'all grab my keys?
Huh?
Will y'all grab my keys?
Yeah. Well, that's perfect timing because it's literally now on fire.
Oh, shit. It's starting to get bad, y'all.
It blows up right off.
Ooh.
There goes the line.
Ooh. God. Watch them work. First responders, watch them work.
Put that out ASAP. Because if they get that back, like you said, it's over.
Yeah, that's a bomb right there, straight up. A tanker full of gas. Watch them work. It's the real heroes right here, baby. My man said he don't give a damn about them flames. He do this.
You see this shit? Whole gas truck on fire out here.
Shout out to the first responders.
Gas truck. Hold on, I can't hear you because I got I think it's connected to my Bluetooth. Look at this shit. Here we are. Could I get the car?
God, yo, this shit straight burning. Is it trying to start?
Huh? It sounds like the truck
man putting a gas mask on. This shit crazy, yo.
Right in front of beside my job. That's gas. Look, the firefighters out there, they putting it out now. Yes, sir. They came quick too.
First responders, baby.
Yes.
Easy work. They said we do this.
The guy was driving the truck. He's where'd he go? He out there somewhere. It was a guy, black guy driving the truck, and he
God.
smelled the smoke. And he jumped out the truck. He just stopped the truck and jumped out.
Damn, yo, it's done burnt half the cab.
It is. Oh yeah, it is. Look,
It's still on fire.
it's still on fire.
It's still going.
That's crazy.
Oh my God.
God.
Crazy, right?
I've never seen that. I haven't seen that for a very long time. Highway maybe, but I've never seen something.
I'm just so thankful that shit didn't explode, y'all, because that would have been real bad.
It's still on fire.
Lord.
Bad. It would have blew up this whole block.
It would have pulled up.
My car would have been done.
Yeah, this area would have been done. Green would have been done. Honestly.
So we'd have been fucked up. I know, that's what about, look, that's what he said. He said, why are y'all standing right there?
It's like, we're gonna die here. Father wants it.
I know. Well, thankful and nobody. Can you believe them cars was sitting there? You see a gas truck on fire and y'all just, they were like
Blocking
getting
traffic.
out.
They're blocking traffic.
We
We're
were
still trying
literally
to
getting
do it.
out the damn car right beside the truck. Who does that? And it's on fire.
Oh, yeah. Where's the driver at?
He's over there. There he is right there.
Traffic.
Yeah, my man's.
Yeah.
I got a driver right there.
Yeah, they're gonna drive her too.
This thing was on fire and people was literally still pulling up, sitting beside it.
Getting out the car.
People was getting out of the car looking at it like, what do we do? Bitch, get away from it. What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
Some people crazy. You seen the guys? I mean, we tell him to get back in the car. He's still.
Oh, that shit on fire. Why the fuck you think everybody else running away?
About to die.
Oh.
I know, old boy. At least you made it out of there, partner. Ain't your fault. That's
Yeah.
your company's fault. No, ain't nothing.
This shit crazy, yo.
Send that in the WXX.
Oh, yeah, we need to send it in.
Send that in the
Bob. We got
Fox.
some good videos. Hold on, let me look at that.
They want that.
They
Yeah.
want it. Y'all was the one stopping out there trying to see what was going on. We gotta tell y'all, move, move.
No, I thought he was still in the truck. I was gonna jump up there and
Oh, you thought the guy was still in the
I thought
truck.
he was still in the truck. I was gonna jump up there and make sure hadn't nothing happened to him.
Oh,
Trying to be on the
okay.
news, boy.
Y'all were hollering, boom, I look, I was like, hell. That's why they told me, come on, down to the bottom. Yeah, I thought he was still in the truck.
Yeah, he had got out. He got out before it even caught flames.
Started smoking.